Hey, I want to give you an up close and personal view of this 6-quart air fryer from Gourmia. Let's take a look at it. This is a 6-quart. It has a all digital screen. Let's plug it in and turn it on and see what it looks like. All right, I touch here. This one has 12 preset buttons. I have air fry. This is wings, seafood, vegetables, bacon, fries. So you don't have to guess at what temperature to set it at, how long to put it. Over here, this button is reheat. I have a broil, bake, roast, dehydrate, keep warm. If I want to adjust the time, I could go ahead and adjust that time there. I could adjust the temperature, take it from 400, drop it down lower. Let's take a look inside. I like that it has this little curve to it for your thumb, makes it nice and easy to hold. You open it up, you could see large capacity in here. You could easily fit a whole chicken, something of that size in here. Very large capacity. Another thing that I really like is this cooking grate that it has here. Allows for good airflow. Has these little rubber legs on it. Another thing you might notice is the slope here. So that way, when you're standing in front of it, if it was straight up and down, I feel that it'd be much more difficult to touch. This angles it just enough for me to be able to see it and touch things at a good comfort level. I really like the LED lights and everything. This makes it very crisp and easy to read. Well, I'm pretty impressed. This actually also comes with a Gourmia air fry recipe book. Let's take a quick peek inside. It has recipes for breakfast, main courses, snacks, desserts, vegetables. Let's just get a quick peek at some of the things that you can do. Well, these actually look really good. These are all different things, different ideas, and how to make them in your air fryer. So if you're just starting off, you're kind of new to it, those look delicious to me. Bacon wrapped dates. All right. Who doesn't like barbecue onion rings?